First team fight against everyone else, 6 on 12 right now. Let's see how we do.
Austin, we're taking the locker rooms, and I mean, we're gonna have to go over there and get in real quick.
Tempest, sound off.
What are we supposed to say?
Whatever your name is.
Shadow? Shadow. That's right.
Shadow? Slick?
I really want to press on what?
What do you guys call him?
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Yeah.
Teddy Bear with the camera.
LongNeck.
That's my gaming name. You want my? Can you use my gaming name? Yeah. Evil Bird.
Evil Bird?
Turtle. Turtle.
Turtle. We'll call you Turtle.
We're calling you Turtle.
LongNeck.
LongNeck.
Kitchen.
Get in the room, guys.
Alright.
What did you call yourself?
Just call me Slick.
Wait, we got it set up.
Caution, Slick.
Slick.
I and Austin are heading for the locker room.
That's Shadow.
Huh?
Slick is over here. That's Shadow.
Yeah, well, I was just saying caution, Slick, because the sign. Ready to go. Checking the hole for anybody I can see. You good, John? You good? You good?
Yeah.
Watch out from behind the wall, dude.
Where'd David go?
He's behind me. There's one there. No, I'm not going that way.
Nothing? Ow, man! He's dead.
I didn't shoot. I had to come back to be dead. Oh, sorry, bro. Man, we are just... There's somebody checking. We good? We good behind the wall?
In the hallway.
Huh.
In the hallway. Look this way.
Bang.
I'm dead.
Bang. That man. That man.
Hey, I shot you.
Bang.
Hold it.
Call.
I saw that.
Just call it, bro. No worries.
Okay, stay here. We're going on the other side.
Alright.
Bang.
Oh, you son of a bitch. Double kill.
Maybe him in the pocket.
Huh? Probably did.
Oh, that's little dick now.
What do you think so far? Sorry. No, you're good, you're good, you're good. Are you guys all perma-dead? Alright. Tempest, fall back! Tempest, fall back!
You're your half the field. Fall back.
Got 2 lives left, Kevin. That killed me twice.
He got me once, another guy got me once.
You know, if that other Tim guy is looking for a UP, he killed me once.
He is doing pretty well.
He's super defensive.
That's all right.
There's one of them left.
Did not everybody fall again?
Just respawn. Walk to the spawn and take it. Take the spawn. As if you died.
We died.
Give him the locker.
Gonna be okay, man?
You alright, bro?
Yeah, man.
I got you in the hand, dude. I'm sorry.
That was a good shot.
I just saw your gun coming out. I was aiming at the gun.
Good shot. I still got 2 large left, but then
Oh, you still got 2 left. Huh? It was hot. There's one guy with 2 lives.
Who is it?
Rando kid.
He's the only guy left?
Uh-huh.
Wait,
Red shirt?
is it?
I don't know his name. It's one of the kids.
I already got a kill.
Where's he at?
He's that way. You know what? He's right in. He's actually in their spawn piece. But what I love about those guns is that they're inaccurate as poop.
Cover. 3, 2, 1.
Go ahead, off. Be able to take them out. Kevin.
Okay.
Bang.
Okay, I'm done.
Got him.
I'm out.
I took his last one.
Good job, man.
Tempest out.
Get this out.